Welcome to the Stellar Maths Learning app. Get ready to explore, discover, and excel. Your journey starts now, and we are honored to be a part of it. Let us get started. You begin by downloading the app, Stellar Maths, from the Play Store, App Store, and Huawei Store. When you download the Stellar Maths app, it will appear on your phone with this stellar logo. Brilliant! We ready to explore. Now you ready to create your account. Fill all the details required. The last block asks for an agent's code. If you don't have one, then please ignore this and click the Submit button. Remember, you will be required to fill in your level. Each level takes about 6 months to complete. Once you completed your selection, you will see the subjects you want to be registered for. There are 2 subjects, Maths and English. Select your subject, and for the purpose of this demonstration, we will choose Mathematics. Once selection, you will enter the Mathematics module for your selected level. Select the level to move forward, and voila, you are served your first lesson. This is the first page. The pretty picture at the top is where your video is served when you press the play button. Your lesson will be served to you. When you get into a lesson, immediately below the lesson video will be your workbook, which you will complete after watching the video. Once you are done with the series of videos and workbook, that, dear students, is how you access the fabulous world of Stellar Maths.